YouTube, what's poppin', family? I'm back. I never left. Back like I never left. Back at it like a. I ain't gonna say it. But no, man. We here, baby. Y'all let me know what's going on. What the hell? Yeah, y'all let me know what's going on. How y'all doing? On my way to the crib, man. Surprisingly, I'm not even tired. I want to know what in the world type of weather did Kankakee just get? I knew they was going this way, no turning signal. Man, what kind of weather did they just get? Oh my God. Yo. That's so disrespectful, bro. That is. Man. Do you know how upset I would be? Like real life upset. Like me and the weather, we gotta see each other after that. You gotta see me. Like, yo. I don't know what the weather what the weatherman had going on with Kankakee. But he is not fucking with Kankakee. He say, no sir, y'all not gonna have no good day. We gonna make a hell of a day for you. Man, how ironic. I didn't even just mean to do that. Hell of a day. That was crazy. Oh my God. Alright, off that. But no. On a more important note, I really hope everybody like in that state, in that city, not state, cause Illinois, but still anybody in Illinois, cause Chicago is getting probably not hit with hail like that, but Kankakee, man, y'all stay prayed up for them folks out there, man. That's so crazy. What you doing, buddy? Get your ass over there. Bro, tripping. What you flashing me for, my dude? You the one tripping in my lane. But nah, man, I hope them boys, men, women, gals, if y'all know anybody out there in Kankakee, man, check on y'all people. That just happened yesterday. Why are this windows fogging up? This car right here, they trying to come back so bad. If they don't get behind me, bruh, I need these windows to unfog real quick. Hold on. I can't hit it until my windows unfog. Look, they trying. I feel you, man. Soon as these windows unfog, I'm gone. Alright. Trying to catch up, but I ain't gonna let you do it. I got this thing, like if I pass you on the expressway, bro, do not try to come back and pass me, bro. I don't know if everybody like that, but like for real, do not try to come past me again. I'm gonna do the dash. I'm talking about. Do not try to pass me. You're cooked. Come on, dog. Get the fuck out the way, nigga. Go, nigga. See people like this, bro. Like this, bro. You know you in the wrong and you just gonna sit here. Fuck them. Nah, fuck that. Famous. Life for the rich, famous. I thought you was gonna pass him, dog. Oh, hell nah. No, sir. I'm not getting behind you. I think not. Nigga don't even want to drive. What I'm finna get behind you for? I got no respect. Yeah, go collect. There's hella potholes right here. I gotta chill out real quick. Dodge that, dodge that. Hot. We gone.
Think she finna come private jet.
Shoppers on my wrist. Mighty snap, she on lose me. She ain't quitting up, think about recruiting. Wow, never think about recruiting. She went to this in my room. Wow, bitch, fake like she know me. Wow, I think fuck it, send them this way. They ain't got no shot, probably got my bitch face. I ain't got no kid shit, I put them on my bitch face. I know I keep sending, so I keep sending, I keep pictures on my feet. John Todd G, well, I ain't never been on beat. Who on top of beat with this bitch looking like a deadbeat. Scored all the dream, well, I mean higher than one said beat. My bitch, my stash, she don't lose me. This ain't cool, ain't everything about recruiting. He moving over there.
He's down.
I think I'm gonna do, not this video, but like real soon, I'm gonna do my first gift card giveaway. And the first person to get it, you know, first come, first serve. But how I'm gonna do it is, I'm gonna put, I don't know how many numbers or whatever gonna be on the gift card, but I'm gonna put it in the video, and then the last 4, however many numbers, I'm gonna take it off. Like I'm gonna remove, you're not gonna be able to see it. You're gonna have to DM me. Yeah, you're gonna have to DM me on Instagram to get the last 4 characters of the gift card. And first person to do that, they get the gift card. Yeah, I think I don't know how much I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna set an amount, because then I might just be able to do more. Who knows? But just letting y'all know.
This the type of shit that I should've said before. Yeah, okay. Said before the pills, it's okay, you love me still. At least no love is real. Try to fuck us, how'd you feel, you know? You know what I know. She need me, she think she need me on God, the bitch don't think. She need me, no loco, get my pole. Yeah, fun, dummy, I got fun, dummy, I got pay. I no kid, but I solid, done the duddest, baby Drake. Gone, shit on top of my phone, niggas say no way.
Oh shit. Holy shit. That damn truck was coming over. I'm trying to get over from him. It's a damn cone right down the shoulder. Let them like the peacock.
Too much like my daddy. I'm so fucking honest. Need a bitch like mommy. Pardon, I'm in fear. Let me slide around with this. You think this shit, she will. Tired of you on block. She go and hit your email. I'm gonna fuck around with demons like my kids and email. Demons in my head. Only when I'm sleeping in my bed. Why you try? Wanna know that you might cry. Singing sad songs, staring at the night sky.
Now you sitting behind this dumb motherfucker that's sitting in the passing lane.
My nigga don't play with me, no they do you wrong. Okay, what she say about me, long as she doing wrong. You get the move wrong. I just said that nigga clock up on your snooze long. We just hit that nigga pluck up, made him move long. You took that bitch for my money, but your shoes wrong. Don't need no nigga do that for me, I could do it wrong.
But yeah, man, I think that's gonna end today's POV. I love y'all. Y'all be safe. I'm gonna stop right here just so I can do the, you dig? I love y'all. Y'all be safe, man. Be careful, stay prayed up. Check on your people. We gone.